Hey there. So I wanted to show you, this is just my test classroom that I use for playing with stuff. And so I wanted to show you one other option that you have in creating drawings that you can share with students as examples. So you can see that I was in Stream, I went over to classwork, and then I can click create. And from here I can say I want to create material. And I'm going to create right here a drawing. So it's going to create a new Google Drawing and it's going to open in a new tab for me. And from here I have some fun options with creating my drawing. It takes a minute to load just because it has a lot of stuff going on in here. But I did want to share with you what you can do here. So if I just change my line to a scribble, and of course you, depending on what art you're doing, you can make that look many different ways. Come on, scribble. So once I've created a line, I have these options for the thickness and the color and all this, and I can rearrange this line, I can move it about and do things with it and invert it and play with it in many different ways. I'm actually going to delete that line and make a new scribble. And again, I'm just going to change the color and the thickness, and maybe I'll add some more scribble just to add some depth. Let's see, I'm going to make this one a little bit lighter colored. All right, and maybe even a little skinnier. And then I'm going to make a new scribble in that darker color. Whoop. So I just wanted to offer, and I can even just make this a circle. There we go. I can make this green. So this isn't something I would necessarily recommend that students do, but this is definitely an option for you for creating demonstration examples for students within their classroom so that you can show examples of what this all could look like, right? So there we go. There you have it. There's my very elementary drawing of a flower in the sun. Very, very beautifully drawn, if I do say so myself. Here we go. Let's fill this all in. Oh yeah, there we go. Ta-da! Okay. So all the changes are saved. And now, once I've got this in here, I can name it and say example drawing. Let's just rename it so you can see that that happens. So this is example drawing. Okay, it's going to save that. And it should any minute now update this as well. Here's my example. And I'm going to go ahead and post. That should update in no time. So you can see it's here. There you go. It's updated the name of my document. If I click on it, it's going to show it. And as with any image, as with any document that you share in here, you can edit the sharing privileges and all that. I can edit it in here. So I can, do many different things with it at this point. But I just wanted to share that that's just one other option of ways that you can draw within, don't know where I went, where you can draw within Classroom. And then you can assign it, you can give it a date, all that. So I hope that that helps. I hope that that's something useful for you. As I see other cool resources, I will let you know. Thanks. Bye.